During the space of one day, I was able to move from someone that the KYC was being rejected in this particular platform called Ecox. You don't understand how the KYC is actually difficult. So I was able to move from that to this just within a day. And this particular video, I'll be sharing with you every secret I'll be able to discover, to know on how you'll be able to get KYC. This particular secret I've known now, I've actually given it to my community, and about 2 to 5 of my community members have also get KYC using this particular strategy, which I will be sharing with you in this particular video. And not that alone, I'll be telling you one ingredient that if you're able to have it, I tell you before the end of today, latest tomorrow, your account also will be having this green check icon that you are also KYC. And I will also be expecting your testimony in the comment section of this particular video. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, click on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I upload another new video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp community member for latest update on most of about this airdrop, I'll be dropping the link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So before we dive in on how you'll be able to get KYC, let me quickly show you something first. Anytime you're logged in, look at it. Yes, look at the benefit that a lot of people that have actually got KYC, the benefit that we are enjoying. Now look at it, your greening power. How to increase your greening power? It's just the higher your hash rate or your greening power, the amount of green you'll be able to have, you'll be able to mine and claim per day. So complete know your customer, that which is your KYC. You actually be giving about, I think, 20 green. When you invite friends, you'll be giving I think 10 green, and when they complete their KYC, you'll be giving 15 green. So this is one of the greatest one. I'll be doing a video around this, how to post to spread green. Your post, I tell you, some people post are actually more than the green that they are mining on a daily basis. If you receive like on your post, a comment, you also get green. Every action after you have KYC, remember everything that I'm actually showing you here, you will only be able to do it once you get KYC. So when you get a follow, you get green, and also when you leveled up. Yesterday, I actually transitioned to level 1. I was given 300 green and 50 green power. So let's go to how you be able to get KYC. And if you're able to watch particular video to the end, I'll be telling you one important ingredient that if you're able to get it, I tell you, you will get KYC today. So currently, this particular Ecox app is not actually working, and this is the important thing you need to know. If you want to join this particular project, they're actually selling this token in the black market, which I believe all of us know. If you want to get started, I'll be dropping my referral link in the description of this particular video for you to get started. The first thing is that you must have claimed some green, yes, because your KYC also will require you some amount of green, which is not much actually. So you need to pay 1 green to process with the KYC. Your current balance, you see, before I started, I was having about 10 green, with the one I actually mined for that particular day. But this is an important information that a lot of people are not taking. So look at it here. Important notice. It says, please ensure a stable internet connection through the processes. See, a lot of people, the problem they are facing is not that this platform is actually giving them problem, but areas or the place they are not having a strong internet network. It happens to me likewise. When I was doing it, there was a time everything I've gotten to the place where I uploaded my picture and it has been accepted, and before you know, the network actually got glitchy, and before I know, it took me back to starting all over again. So the next one you need to pay attention is that if interrupted, you will need to start all, like what I was saying now. You have to go and start all over again. And the last one is that a fee of 1 green will be deducted after your confirmation. So let's go to the next one. So after you have tapped on that particular one, see, just immediately you tap on it and it's not going, just continue to tap on it. If it's telling you that KYC overload, like that, just continue to tap on it. Then it will bring you to an interface like this, which you see this. So down below it, down here, you will see a particular box for you to check, to click. So the box is like this. So you click on it and you click on continue. So this is the bus I was actually talking about. This bus. After you click on that bus, this particular one will turn, this green one will turn to green. Tap on continue. Then the next one, this the place it get tricky, and you actually need to work out where a lot of people are actually getting problem, because this is where you need your network. So you will tap on this particular place. So immediately you tap on this particular place, it will take you for you to pick pictures from your gallery. But look at it here, look at the format of the picture: JPG, JPEG, PNG. That means can either be transparent or picture having background, and the width must be between 200 to 2160, and the height must be between 200 and 1060. So when you upload it, so one of the major key things about this particular thing is that immediately you upload your picture and it's still telling you that KYC, just continue tap on it. See, this is one of the major ingredients which, congratulations for you if you're able to watch this particular thing, is that just continue to tap on it. Continue to see, the greatest secret there is consistency. I've seen some people that it was their 30th click that they were able to pass it, because after you're able to pass through this place, the next one, if you're able to pass it, I tell you, it's just the congratulation message for you that you have been KYC. So just continue to upload it and continue to tap on it, tap on it, tap on it, tap on it, until they accept you, because there are a lot of people who are actually doing it. And look at another very important information here that was really saying, do not exit the app during the KYC process, or you have to start. So everything, you need to take it very, you need to be very careful. So this is it. So after that one, it will now take you to a place of check, like you can see now. This was after my I was trying to upload my video from my gallery, and after that I transitioned. Before then, and believe some of you must have gotten this particular message. He told me his echo is upgrading and blah 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 blah. But still, I tap on this okay, and I still continue. Do you believe that it was at the moment of giving up that I say, Kai, this last one, if I can just try it, I will have got KYC earlier. But when I go to this particular place itself, see, I just received a call. That is why I just tried not to receive call anything. Immediately I just finished the call, it took me all over again to go and start. So the next time when I find myself here, this is the live check. This is how it is. So you put in your face and continue to follow the instructions that follows. And after this particular one, if it has been accepted, so if that particular one, after the particular live check phase have been accepted, you will receive a notification like this, a mark like this, and it will tell you that your verification has actually been completed. If you can receive this, I tell you congratulations. This is when you'll be able to come to your dashboard there, and you'll be able to see this on your dashboard that you have been KYC. And the next one, so the major ingredient I would like to tell you is that another method is that if it is not actually working for you, try and download a VPN, any VPN of your choice, and just put it to a location like United States or United Kingdom, and just continue to try it. It works. That was how I was able to get KYC. And another ingredient that is very powerful is that never give up. Just continue to tap on it, continue to upload that picture. I tell you, it doesn't matter if it is in the morning or in the night. It doesn't work, because mine was in the evening. So just continue to tap. Don't give up, and make sure you have a stable network. With that, you'll be able to get KYC in no time. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so you're going to enter upload another new video. Thank you, and bye bye for now.